Ever wonder why hell is traditionally the realm of fallen angels? Let's uncover the mythical and real reasons behind this belief. Hell, often depicted as a place of eternal torment, is said to house angels who defied heaven. But why is this the common narrative? Many believe that fallen angels reside in hell as a punishment for their rebellion against divine authority, being eternally and painfully cast from celestial favor in divine judgment. Consider that hell may not be an actual location, but instead a painful conscious existence of the fallen angels' internal chaos, regret, revenge, anger, and outward defiance. Perhaps a hell full of fallen angels is only a metaphor or projected symbolic fear that comes from deep inner turmoil, painful divisiveness, and limitless consequences from moral failures caused by the loss of honesty, integrity, and virtues. So, could hell actually be a metaphorical human construct, meant mainly to teach us lessons about defiance and redemption? The idea of fallen angels in hell invites us to reflect on the extensive consequences of living in an endless condition of negativity, which may be a hell in and of itself. Maybe there is no need to fear an external hell after death. Instead, we might lighten and release the misguided perceptions, beliefs, and expectations that cause hellish pain in life. Thank you for analyzing this topic with Deeply Blissed. Peace and blessings.